Welcome to Pananaw Moments, where we reflect on the Sunday Gospels. Kaibigan, have you ever felt like what you have is not enough? In today's Gospel, a huge crowd followed Jesus into a quiet place. Gutom na sila, pagod na, and the disciples start to panic. Then Jesus told them, "Give them something to eat." However, what they only have are 5 loaves and 2 fish. Bitin at kulang na kulang. But instead of focusing on the shortage, Jesus took them, gave thanks, broke the bread, and suddenly naging sobra-sobra. Everyone ate and no one went home hungry. Minsan, ganyan din tayo. We look at our time, energy, money, or abilities and think, ano bang magagawa nito? We tend to compare, overthink, and doubt. But the miracle of the bread and fish didn't start with abundance. It started with sharing what they have. In the same way, Jesus doesn't ask from us any grand gestures. He asks for what's in our hands right now. A small act of kindness, a little patience, a little act of generosity. When you place your little in God's hands, He makes it enough. Malay mo, your simple offering is an answer to someone's prayer. Thank you for journeying with us. See you next Sunday for more Pananaw Moments.